everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in the little town of Meaford, which is, I guess, kind of northern Ontario a bit. About a half hour, if that. No, not even a half hour, 15 minutes or so from Owen Sound. And I'm at an Esso gas station, and they have a touchless wash. Looks, I'm going to say, relatively new. Definitely doesn't look like an old build anyways, this gas station. The entrance to the car wash is at the back here. I'm just parked at the side. And you can actually see the code box right there. So I did get gas, and with gas, the luxury wash, which is the name of their top wash, was $11.99. I think without a wash, or without a wash, without a gas purchase, it would be $13.99. So yeah, we're gonna give this one a shot and see how it does. Get out, take a look. We're in the minivan today, and well, the van's not really dirty at all. The weather has been beautiful. Slight little bit of dirt you can see on the back. It's got to be about 20 degrees or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, whichever you prefer to use, but it's a gorgeous day. Yeah, the vehicle's not really dirty much at all. Oh, we do have some bugs in that on the front though, so we'll see if it gets that off. Wow, is it ever warm today? Oh, very nice. So in order to enter this, I gotta go around. Get my seatbelt on. The address is 331 Sykes Street in Meaford. It's right across from the McDonald's, which is kind of funny because I laughed when I saw it. If it wasn't for that M on the front of it, you would never know that was a McDonald's. It's definitely not your typical McDonald's looking building. So we'll go around. Oh, looks like they have a couple of vacuums with the air pump. There we go. Enter car wash code here. And the code is... what is the code? 53447. Doors opening up.
Turn right on St. Vincent Street.
Don't need to know that. Oh, and it looks like we have an Oasis XP. Well, this definitely doesn't look like a new system. It doesn't look very new. And back up. You didn't tell me to stop. So now I was like, stop and back up. Okay, there we go. Stop. Make up your mind. Alright, here we go. I'll put the backup camera on too so we can see. Good coverage. It's immediately going to the high pressure rinse, I think. Or not. going across the back. Here it comes. Coming up both sides, doing a double pass. Well, that was very good coverage, I'll give it that. Doing 2 passes. Holy jeez. Sounds like a high pressure rinse, but it's the trifoam. Wow. That was a lot of noise for trifoam. Smells really good. It's doing the polish. Oh wow, they even incorporate a little bit of LED light in there. Probably gives you close to 70 seconds. On the dryers, I was really slow leaving. I will say that dryers are feeling very weak. Very weak. There's no side dryers. Just those ones on the top, and it's not really doing anything. Oh, what a shame. Alright, let's go back to where I was. Alright, we'll get out and look. The car's gonna be quite wet. Even the side window you can see. Oh yeah. Yeah, the dryers are pretty much non-existent. The whole car is soaked. Sides, window, everything. I never did get that little streak out, and I can wipe it easily with my finger. Got most of the other light dirt off the back. Like I said, the car was, but I mean, you can see all the water on the on the roof, and that's where all the dryers were. We're at the top. You can see tiny bits of soap. Yeah, that was the only disappointment was the got some of the bugs off the front, but not all. Well, too bad about the dryers, because I actually really like this system. I don't come across these very often. They're a little rare, and so it was exciting to see it, but disappointing on the dryers. They definitely need to improve those somehow. So, but $11.99 with a gas purchase. I mean, I don't know. I would recommend it if you had a towel with you and you wipe down your car after you go through it. I'm not sure if this is going to leave water spots in that, depending on the water that's being put on. I don't know, but anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. I actually like it, and I kind of recommend it. I don't know, it's just, if you're fussy on the dryers, then you're not going to like it. But like I said, let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed it. Do you have many of these Oasis XPs in your area? I know I don't, so it's kind of neat to see them every once in a while. But hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment. I love interacting with you guys. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.